Right. Today we're going to be fixing a portable scanner. Someone said that this one wasn't working, that the speaker was not functioning. I opened it up and directly connected a speaker to it and it seemed to work, so I ordered a replacement. These cost $15 directly from a Uniden parts store. I'm going to turn it off. Phillips screwdriver so you don't strip the screws. One that will fit in nicely. Like for example, this one right here doesn't exactly pull out the screws the way I like it. The good news about this model is you're not going to have to do any soldering. Apparently the speaker relies on pressure to hold those clips into place. I read on a forum that some person only had issues with the clips being loose and not touching reliably, so check that. And I'll show you how in a moment. 6 screws in the back, don't need to remove this. Front comes right off. So the front holds the positive side and the negative side for the speaker, clearly labeled. The speaker itself is labeled with negative and positive, so you'll know that they'll match up. The way this clip opens, apparently it's held in by pressure from this wire. I'm going to pull it out carefully with a flat screwdriver. Like that. Don't forget how it goes. It goes under this plastic. In fact, we should do a little close-up. Like that. Are you zooming in? Oh. And the speaker should come right off. I think there's a rubber gasket. We'll leave that in the front. Probably to prevent shaking. I'm not really sure how the speaker broke, but my guess would be somebody messed with the settings and made it really loud and screechy, probably breaking it, but from what I tested it doesn't work at all. So, head first. There. We're going to test it before we close it up just to make sure that the speaker will be working. How did I put this? Yeah, it was like that, I think. Okay, let's close it up. Okay, held in nice and tight. Good. Now I'm just going to hold it nice and tight with my hands, check to see that it works. Programmed. You have to connect it to a computer to program it. You can leave, but normally the weather one works just fine.
Now we go to commercial.
Sure. Okay. I don't know if you guys noticed a difference here, but I forgot something incredibly simple. I forgot to connect the antenna. So the radio was not doing anything because the radio could not receive signal. So now that there's an antenna.
Miles an hour. At Blue Canyon, clear.
Uh-oh, the internet has your info.
Oh well. They know where I live. No one watches these videos anyways. Thank you for watching. Handsome pose.
Like and comment below.
Sure.